I wanted to do a bit of a channel update video because it has been a while since my last video and I probably won't have any more videos out for a while still. The main reason for that, as you might conclude from the title, is that I was diagnosed with testicular cancer. I'll share some details about that in a moment and what my plans are for the channel moving forward. But I do want to say right off the bat that testicular cancer has excellent cure rates and my particular situation is looking quite favourable. But whilst this situation has been an unwelcome cloud hanging over my family for the past couple of months, there is one bit of fun and positive news I want to share first, which is that I have finally got an early gameplay demo for the game I've been working on up on Steam. That is what is playing in the background right now, and I'll probably just use this as B-roll for the rest of this video. I'll have a link in the description if you'd like to play the demo yourself or watch the trailer. But the gist is that it's a sort of cozy Australia-based survival game where you walk along the coast from town to town surviving as a swagman. The game still has a long way to go, but there is enough there now to make a somewhat cohesive demo. As for my cancer situation, the Cliff Notes version goes something like this. Around 2 months ago, I felt something in my testicle that felt a little strange to me. I went to my GP, who gave me a referral for an ultrasound. Ultrasound results were highly suspicious for malignancy. I was referred on to a urologist. Scans and surgery to remove the testicle were organised. Post-surgery pathology confirmed seminoma testicular cancer, and now I'm currently working with my oncologist to figure out next steps. As I mentioned, testicular cancer already has great overall cure rates, and the good news in my situation is that pure seminoma is generally the most favourable type of testicular cancer you can have. The other bit of good news was that my staging scans didn't show any obvious metastatic spread, which would make this stage 1, but there was some inconclusiveness in the scan that my oncologist wants to clear up with further scans before deciding on treatment options. So although it isn't quite confirmed at this point, the most likely case seems to be that it will be stage 1, and since I've already had the surgery, there is something like an 80% chance I'm already cancer-free right now. Now it's likely just a matter of deciding whether I'll do some adjuvant chemotherapy or if I just go on surveillance without chemotherapy. And that's another positive aspect of testicular cancer. Relapse after 5 years of surveillance is rare, so unlike some other types of cancers, it is, at least to a degree, something that won't be hanging over me for the rest of my life. So as far as a cancer diagnosis goes, I've got a lot going on in my picture to be grateful for. But of course it still takes its toll logistically, financially and emotionally on both me and my family. Which brings me to my plans for this channel. I've generally kept uploads on this channel pretty consistent for many years now. It's something I enjoy doing, but it is also quite a bit of work and doesn't generate much of an income. Over the past couple of months I've been trying to focus mainly on my more income generating work with the time I have, and unfortunately that has meant I haven't really been doing anything with this channel. I have no new videos ready to go and nothing in the pipeline either, so it is probably going to be a while still before any new videos are up. I have no intent to completely shut down this channel or anything like that, and most likely within another couple of months my cancer situation will be mostly resolved and I can start getting everything back on track, including this channel. But in the meantime, I've basically just decided to put any work on this channel on pause until I'm ready. And hopefully this video can also do some positive work in terms of being somewhat of a PSA. Somewhat coincidentally, the main demographic of people who watch my videos heavily overlaps with the main demographic for people who are diagnosed with testicular cancer, a cancer which disproportionately affects younger men. That means somewhere in the realm of maybe 50 to 100 people watching this video will either have already had testicular cancer, have it right now, or will get it at some point in the future. And men are also a demographic who are more frequently reluctant to go to the doctor about symptoms or delay for a long time, which can lead to worse health outcomes. Research seems to vary, but it seems many men wait weeks or months before seeing a doctor about testicular symptoms. I'm generally quite an anxious and paranoid person, which helped drive me to book a doctor's appointment for this immediately. My pathology for the tumour showed the beginning signs of aggressiveness into areas of the testicle that increased the risk of metastatic spread. So if I had have ignored this for a few months, something I could have easily justified to myself, I might have been in a worse situation. Now, I don't mean to try to make people anxious or paranoid about their health because that's not a nice place to be in. But if I could use this small platform I have to encourage some people to check the parts of their body they need to check and not put off going to the doctor, that will certainly add an extra layer of positivity for me to this situation. Anyway, thanks for listening to my little story, and I hope to get back to making videos soon. If you are interested in my game dev stuff, I might actually end up putting up some more videos on my game dev channel soon, as those videos are generally a lot easier for me to make. So there's a link to that in the description if you're interested. Otherwise, I hope to see you back here again for the next video.